In a heartbreaking turn of events, Violet Affleck's health has taken a worrying turn for the worse, and the impact has shaken her entire family. Once just a quiet concern whispered between close family and friends, Violet's condition has now become an urgent focus, demanding around-the-clock care, specialized treatment, and an unshakable support system. And just when things began to spiral, her father, Ben Affleck, stepped into the spotlight, not as a movie star, but as a devoted father ready to do whatever it takes. Ben, who has had his fair share of ups and downs in the public eye, showed once again that nothing matters more to him than his children. As Jennifer Garner reached her breaking point, exhausted from carrying the emotional and physical weight alone, Ben didn't hesitate. He rushed to be by his daughter's side and insisted on taking the lead. Sources close to the Affleck family reveal that Violet's condition has been more severe than initially shared with the public. After undergoing several weeks of observation and testing, doctors reportedly confirmed a diagnosis that has not only demanded immediate treatment but also caused both parents to rearrange their lives entirely. Jennifer Garner, who has always been known for her hands-on parenting and nurturing nature, had been managing nearly everything on her own. From hospital visits to daily care and emotional support, she poured herself into being the rock her daughter needed. But even the strongest hearts need rest, and Jennifer, though determined, had begun to wear thin under the pressure. It was in this emotionally charged atmosphere that Ben Affleck dropped everything, film projects, appearances, even public engagements, to prioritize Violet's well-being. Insiders say the moment he learned Violet's condition was deteriorating, he didn't even pack a bag. He went straight to Jennifer's home and immediately began coordinating with doctors, nurses, and therapists to ensure that Violet had everything she needed. What makes this moment even more powerful is that Ben and Jennifer, though long divorced, have found common ground through this crisis, pushing aside any lingering differences and instead acting as a united front. Ben's presence wasn't just welcomed, it was needed. He's been described as laser-focused, attentive, and deeply emotional through every step. Eyewitnesses captured photos of Jennifer Garner outside her home in what can only be described as a mix of relief and heartbreak. Tears filled her eyes as Ben took over much of the responsibility, allowing her, at least briefly, to rest, gather her strength, and breathe. Those close to the family say Jennifer is deeply grateful for Ben's unwavering support, especially in such a raw and vulnerable moment. She has always held her children close, but seeing Ben step in so fully and without hesitation has reportedly changed the dynamic between them. There's a renewed sense of trust, a shared purpose, and most of all, a recognition that their bond as parents is stronger than anything in their past. This isn't about rekindled romance. This is about two people putting aside everything else to rally around their child. The co-parenting relationship between Ben and Jennifer, once just a peaceful post-divorce agreement, has now grown into something much deeper, a partnership forged in crisis. According to sources, they're now in constant communication, updating each other on medications, reactions, appointments, and emotional check-ins with Violet. Ben has even moved into the guest wing of Jennifer's home to be closer to Violet during this critical time, showing a level of dedication that has deeply moved both his ex-wife and their children. Despite the worsening of her condition, Violet remains strong, according to those closest to the family. Known for her intellect, gentle demeanor, and independence, she has approached her diagnosis with a maturity beyond her years. Doctors remain cautious but hopeful, noting that with the right treatment and emotional support, her prognosis could still improve over time. As news of Violet's worsening condition spread, fans took to social media to send an outpouring of love, support, and heartfelt messages to the Affleck-Garner family. Thousands of users have posted prayers, positive thoughts, and touching tributes online. Comments like, "Stay strong, Violet. You have the world behind you. Ben and Jen, what incredible parents. We're rooting for your family." This shows the real meaning of love, sacrifice, and unity. This chapter in the lives of Ben, Jennifer, and Violet is still unfolding. But one thing is certain, they are forever changed. The pain, the fear, the sleepless nights, it has all created a deeper connection between them, one that transcends time, fame, and the headlines. Whatever happens next, Ben Affleck has proven not just to be a Hollywood icon, but a true father. And Jennifer Garner, even in her tears, continues to embody grace, strength, and unconditional love. Together, they're not just fighting for their daughter, they're rewriting what it means to be a family in the spotlight. If this story moved you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now. We cover stories that go beyond the red carpet, diving deep into the real lives behind the celebrities we think we know. Like, comment with your thoughts and support for the Affleck family, and share this video to help raise awareness and love for Violet's journey.